Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see indefinite integrals. Particular one type, e power kx times k f of x plus f dash x dx. This is a simple way we can solve. Within one step we can solve the sum if it is a direct sum. Otherwise we have to make it to arrange e power kx, kf of x plus f dash x. Sometimes this sequence they won't give. You have to arrange it accordingly. Just add or subtract, then make it kf of x plus f dash x dx. Then the answer is very simple. E power kx times f of x plus c. Okay, how it comes you see here. E power kx, kf of x plus f dash x dx. The answer is e power kx f of x plus c. Now I am going to integrate e power kx k f of x plus dx plus e power kx f dash x dx. Okay. Now I splitted the integration into two, I1 plus I2. Now there are two things, two variables. One is exponential, another is algebra. We have to take I late, inverse log, algebra, trigonometry, exponential. What will be the first one? Kf of x. We are going to do integration of uv dx. What is integration of uv dx? Integration of uv dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx du by dx. Okay. Now just this I am rearranging. Kf of x is u, e power kx v. Okay. What is u? Why I chose kf of x is u? Because algebra is coming first. Kf of x, u I write, v, integration of v dx. What is integration of e power mx dx? E power mx divided by m. Here e power kx divided by k. Minus integration of v dx, what? The same one, e power kx by k. Then f of x you differentiate, k f of x you have to differentiate, that is u. K f of x if you differentiate, k f dash x, then dx. This is I1. I1 we finished. Then I2, just I am writing the same one, e power kx f dash x dx. Okay, now this one cancel it. Here you cancel it. What is left here? E power kx f of x minus e power kx f dash x dx. Then I2 we didn't do I-late method because now we are going to cancel I2. You see it, e power kx f of x minus e power kx f dash x dx plus e power kx f dash x dx. So what will happen? This person and this person cancelled. Now what is left? E power kx f of x. Very simple. E power kx f of x. This is the answer plus c. Okay. Let us go to the sum. Some examples. Today we are going to see these 10 sums. Okay. E power x 1 over x minus 1 over x squared. How to do it? This is, what is the formula? E power kx k f of x plus f dash x. Here k is 1, so no issues here. E power x. K f of x is 1 over x. 1 over x you differentiate. What is 1 over x is x power minus 1. X power minus 1 if you differentiate, minus 1 x power minus 2. So minus 1 x power square. So this is f of x. This is f dash x. Minus 1 over x square. Minus 1 over x square. So simple and sweet, you can directly write it. E power x 1 over x plus c. Got it? Copy down. Very simple. You just write the formula and put the result. F of x is 1 over x. F dash x is f of x is k f of x is 1 over x. F dash x is minus 1 over x squared. Okay, so we come to the formula. K f of x plus f dash x dx means e power kx times f of x. Okay, second sum. One by x squared minus 2 by x cube. This is k f of x. K value is here 1. Look at the sum number 2, e power x, integration of e power x, bracket 1 over x squared minus 2 over x cubed. F of x is 1 over x squared. F dash x is 1 over x squared. How we can write? X power minus 2. So minus 2 x power x power n is n x to the power of n minus 1. So minus 2 x power minus 3 minus 2 over x cube. Simple and sweet. So directly you can write the answer is, question number 2 answer is e power x times 1 over x squared. I can write in the denominator, that's it, plus c. E power x times 1 over x squared. I just written e power x over x squared. Question number 3. This is f of x. Question number 3. Integration of e power x bracket log x plus 1 over x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 over x. This is f of x, k f of x. Here k value is 1, so no issues. F dash x. Yeah. So the answer is e power x log x plus c. Question number 3. Got it? Copy down. Question number 4. Integration of e power x sin x plus cos x dx. Sin x, if you differentiate, what will come? Cos x. So f of x plus f dash x. So e power x sin x plus c. Question number 5. Integration of e power x bracket tan x plus log secant x close the bracket dx. So how to do it, this one? Integration of, which is f of x, tan x is f, suppose if you consider f of x, tan x if you differentiate secant square x, it is not that. So this is not f of x. This may be f of x. Let us see. Log secant x, f of x. Log secant x you differentiate. log secant x, differentiate 1 over secant x. Then secant x differentiate secant x tan x. So what will happen? Tan x. So this is f dash x. So sum number 4, sum number 5, e power x log secant x plus tan x. So log secant x is f of x, tan x is f dash x, e power x log secant x. The answer is e power x log secant x plus c. Got it? Copy down until now. E power x 1 over x minus 1 over x squared. F of x is 1 over x, f dash x is minus 1 over x squared. So answer is e power x times 1 over x. Question number 2, e power x 1 over x squared minus 2 over x cube. 1 over x squared if you differentiate minus 2 over x cube. So the answer is e power x times 1 over x squared. Question number 3, e power x log x plus 1 over x. Log x if you differentiate 1 over x. The answer is e power x f of x. F of x is log x. Question number 4, e power x times sin x plus cos x. Sin x differentiate cos x. So e power x sin x. Question number 5, e power x, you just change it instead of tan x log plus log secant x. E power x log secant x plus tan x. Then the answer is e power x log secant x plus c. Look at the question number 6. E power 2x minus sin x plus 2 cos x dx. Here what is? K is 2. Okay, just rearrange it. E power kx, e power 2x, 2 cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, here cos x differentiation is minus sin x. You use the formula, you recall the formula, k f of x is f of x plus f dash x only, not k f dash x. Okay, so we may confuse 2 cos x, we need minus 2 sin x. No, our formula is very clear. K f of x here plus f dash x only, not k f dash x. So the answer is e power 2x, not k f of x answer. E power kx f of x. So the answer is e power 2x cos x. That's all. Question number 7, e power x cot x minus cosecant squared x. Cot x if you differentiate minus cosecant squared x. Very simple. It is f of x. This is f dash x. So e power x cot x plus c. Tan x if you differentiate secant squared x. Cot x if you differentiate minus cosecant squared x. They gave it very simple. Okay, here integration of e power x, secant x 1 plus bracket 1 plus tan x. It just expand it. E power x secant x plus secant x tan x dx. Secant x if you differentiate what? Secant x tan x. So e power x secant x. The answer is simple. F of x is secant x. Okay, here question number 9. E power integration of e power x secant x plus log secant x plus tan x. Secant x if you differentiate, here I should put bracket. Secant x if you differentiate secant x tan x. Here it is not there. So this will be f of x. this will be f dash x. Let us see. Log secant x plus tan x, differentiate. Log secant x plus tan x, differentiate 1 over secant x plus tan x. Then secant x, if you differentiate, secant x tan x. Right? Tan x, if you differentiate, secant square x. Got it? So now take secant x out in the numerator. Secant x, tan x plus secant x. So secant x is the final answer. Got it? So this is f of x. K f of x, that k is 1. Log secant x plus tan x is f of x. If you differentiate, we got secant x. So secant x is f dash x. You see here, this is f of x. Log secant x plus tan x is f of x. Secant x is f dash x. So the answer is question number 10. Cot x, if you differentiate, minus cosecant squared x. So cot x cannot, question number 10 is e power x times cot x plus log sin x dx. E power x cot x cannot be f of x, because if you differentiate, f dash x minus cosecant squared x. Log sin x, if you differentiate, it is cot x. Log sin x, differentiate 1 over sin x. Sin x, if you differentiate, cos x. So cos by sin, cot x. So this is f of x. Log sin x is f of x. Cot x is f dash x. So the final answer is e power x log sin x plus c. I just recap question number 6 to 10. E power 2x minus sin x plus 2 cos x dx. Since e power kx, k is 2, here 2 cos x, just rearrange minus sin x plus 2 cos x, rearrange 2 cos x plus sin x, minus sin x. Cos x, if you differentiate, minus sin x. So the answer will be e power 2x cos x. Question number 7, e power x cot x minus cosecant squared x. Here f of x is cot x, f dash x is minus cosecant squared x. So it is very simple. Question number 7 is e power x cot x dx. Cot x plus c. Question number 8, integration of e power x secant x times 1 plus tan x. I expanded e power x secant x, e power x secant x tan x. E power x secant x plus secant x tan x dx. Here f of x is secant x, f dash x is secant x tan x. Question number 9, integration of e power x secant x plus log secant x plus tan x. Log secant x plus tan x, if you differentiate, it is secant x. Okay. This is, we know in a simple way, integration of secant x is log secant x plus tan x. Okay, so this is f of x, this is f dash x, very simple. Because f dash x, if you differentiate, f of x coming. So this is f of x. Integration of cot x is log sin x. So cot x will be f dash x, log sin x is f of x. Okay. If you do this e power x integral, your integration will be strengthened, your trigonometry will be strengthened, your differentiation will be more strengthened, Even algebra also becoming good. Okay. This 10 sums, it will be big sums if you are solving in a normal way. If you use this formula, it is a very, very simple way. Integration of e power kx, open the bracket, k f of x plus f dash x. Here we will get confused, k f dash x, no, plus f dash x, close the bracket, dx. What will be the result? E power kx times f of x. Here we will get again confused, e power kx times k f of x we will write. No, it is wrong. E power kx times f of x, because this k and e power kx over k will be cancelled. So the answer will be e power kx times f of x plus c. Keep watching my videos, my channels. Wish you all the best.